Hey Magic Activity Explorers! Get ready for the ultimate animal quiz, 30 rounds of the wildest animal myths. Can you tell what's true and what's just totally made up? Keep score and tell us how many you got right at the end. Let's bust some myths. Do bulls charge because they hate the color red? True or false? False. Bulls are colorblind to red. They react to movement, not color. Are bats blind? True or false? False. Bats can see very well and use echolocation to see with sound. Do ostriches bury their heads in the sand when scared? True or false? False! They lower their heads to hide or check eggs, but never bury them. Does touching a baby bird make its mom abandon it? True or false? False! Most birds don't even smell your scent. Their moms still care for them. Do camels store water in their humps? True or false? False! Their humps store fat, not water. The water is stored in their body. Do goldfish have only a 3-second memory? True or false? False! Goldfish can remember things for months and even learn tricks. Can sharks smell a drop of blood from miles away? True or false? False! Sharks can smell blood from hundreds of feet, not miles. Do dogs only see in black and white? True or false? False! Dogs can see some color, mostly blues and yellows. Do chameleons change color to match their surroundings? True or false? Partly true. They change color mostly to show emotion or talk to other chameleons. Can touching a frog give you warts? True or false? False. Warts come from a virus, not from frogs or toads. Are elephants afraid of mice? True or false? False. Elephants might be startled by quick movements, but not mice specifically. Can snakes unhinge their jaws to eat? True or false? True! Their jaws are super stretchy and can open wide to swallow prey whole. Do cats always land on their feet? True or false? Mostly true. They have a special reflex, but from high falls, they can still get hurt. Do lemmings jump off cliffs on purpose? True or false? False! That myth started from a fake documentary. Lemmings don't do that. Can owls turn their heads all the way around? True or false? False! Owls can turn their heads about 270 degrees, not 360. Do crocodiles cry when they eat? True or false? True! They have tear glands, but it's not from sadness, just part of eating. Can kangaroos walk backwards? True or false? False! Their big tails and legs make it impossible to walk in reverse. Are dolphins fish? True or false? False! Dolphins are mammals. They breathe air, not water. Do turtles leave their shells? True or false? False! A turtle's shell is part of its skeleton. They can't leave it behind. Do penguins live in the North Pole? True or false? False! Penguins live in the Southern Hemisphere, mostly around Antarctica. Do snakes drink through their skin? True or false? False! Snakes drink through their mouths, just like us. Can some lizards grow their tails back? True or false? True! Lizards like geckos can drop their tails and regrow them later. Do polar bears have white skin? True or false? False! Their fur looks white, but their skin underneath is black. Can bees only sting once? True or false? True, but only for honeybees. Other bees and wasps can sting multiple times. Do jellyfish have brains? True or false? False! Jellyfish have no brain, heart, or bones, just nerves and jelly. Can a whale's heart be the size of a car? True or false? True! A blue whale's heart weighs over 400 pounds, bigger than you. Can pigs sweat a lot? True or false? False! Pigs can't sweat much. That's why they roll in the mud to cool down. Can frogs freeze and come back to life? True or false? True! Some frogs survive winter by freezing solid and thawing in spring. Are koalas bears? True or false? False! Koalas are marsupials, not bears. They carry babies in a pouch. Do owls sleep at night? True or false? False! Most owls are nocturnal, meaning they sleep during the day and hunt at night. You did it! You made it through all 30 animal myths. So, how many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you had fun, give us a like and subscribe to Magic Activity. Ring the bell so you never miss an adventure.